Myself, Driya Rajesh Patel. We welcome you to Shree L.R.Tiwari Degree College from Department of Hospitality. Here, my colleague Achal will guide you.
Namaste, welcome to front office.
This is our front office lab. Here we learn bell desk, reception, concierge, reservation,
And information desk.
Here we do mock session as well as different case studies related to front office.
There are a lot more things about front office. This was just a glance about it. For now, I am done and now I am handing over it to Ms. Mira.
Thank you very much. From here, we have huge and clean classrooms. Let's continue our tour. Here, it's a girls' changing room. Here, we have boys' changing room. We have got different cuisines all over the world, which we learn in kitchen. These are the different types of menu. We also got 17 classical French menu. From here, let's have a tour to our restaurant and bar. This is Mr. Sir. We will continue over here.
Our F&B training department are divided into bar and restaurant. In restaurant, we have learned many types of table setups. Starting with, this is our English breakfast table setup. This is our VIP dinner setup. This is a la carte lunch setup. This is our formal dinner setup. Continental setup. This is our formal IT setup. Thank you. Namaste. Hope you enjoy our F&B.
I am Mr. Abhishek Vijay Bachchan and this is our bar. In bar we study different types of wines, liquors, beers, cocktails and more.
Let's go to our housekeeping training lab. Here we have very famous hotels like Heritage Hotels, Cruise and many more. This is our housekeeping training lab. Here Mr. Junaid and Nikhil will continue.
This is our housekeeping training lab. First of all, you will see our washroom. Here we use different types of chemicals for the floors and for wash basin and for WC bowls.
My name is Kishor Saha. There we have made two types of bed. This is called turn-down service bed and this is standard bed. There are 7 types of layers in the bed. First bed, mattress protector, bed sheet, duvet cover, pillow and runner.
And here we have different types of chemicals and a vacuum cleaner. We use this kit to clean mirrors and furniture policy and floor cleaners.
Till now, hopefully you have enjoyed our video. So let's continue with our kitchen department. Here we also have many great culinary artists. Good morning. So from here, Rajkumar will guide you.
This is our basic and advanced kitchen. In basic, we learn how to hold a knife and different cut of vegetable, fish and chicken. Then we learn the different type of sauces, 5 mother sauces. Then we learn the broth, stocks, my pork, the differences. In the advanced, we learn the continental, different type of continent.
Namaste. My name is Yash Kate. In the bakery department, we learn pastries, cookies,
cakes, and etc.
Namaste, my name is Jaideep Singh and this is our quantity kitchen. Here we cook food for around more than 400 and 500 people.
We learn food production, food and beverage services, front office, housekeeping. Along with the core subjects, we learn hotel accountancy, strategic management, MIS, complete PMS system, information technology, hotel marketing, principles of management, hotel law, food, nutrition and safety, French, and the best part is event management also. Let's continue with the dear office.
Hello, good morning. My name is Kishor Saha. I am a dean of this department. I believe you people have really enjoyed the tour of our department. Our department has various labs, huge labs you can say. Along with that, we also have a swimming pool, basketball court. We have our football ground. We have different sports ground you can say. Right? We have a big library. We have our big IT labs. And overall, our degree college is almost into 4 acres of land. Now, apart from this, we have a special one-to-one counseling with our students in every semester. We also send our students to the 5-star hotel in national and international. Now, we also assist our students in job placement as well as for further studies also. And if you have any queries, definitely please do come to our department. We will give you more further information related to Department of Hospitality. Thank you very much and namaste.